after completing profile for the main road, we have finished the profile for the roundabouts, both roundabout. As here we mentioned the elevation for the roundabout start and the midpoint. On the other side we mentioned the station for the roundabout one. Then we mentioned the bridge here. Also we created station elevation for the roundabout 2. So after that we have created the roundabout profile in our previous video. Now when we have the both profile design profile for the roundabout and the main road, it's very easy to create the profile for the loop A, because here we have the existing asphalt elevation. And now for this point, as you can see here, the end of this alignment for the loop A, we have the elevation for this from this roundabout. You can create elevation, suppose this station, the end. If you want to check the end station for this uh, loop A profile alignment, click on the alignment of the roundabout. Now I am calculating station, so from the station I will calculate the elevation. So here, as you can see, add label station and offset. So as you can see, this one, if I click here, it's showing me the station and also the elevation, the offset. If I click here, I will drag it to outside here. As you can see here, the station, this station I took from the roundabout 1. So roundabout 1, 7.51 meter from the roundabout 1. This offset is 7.5. So it's now very easy. Also the station for the roundabout 105 for this station. Easting nothing, we don't need the easting nothing. So as you have station and distance, so you can calculate the elevation, the design elevation for this one, because we have profile for the roundabout. So go to that station, suppose 105.65 roundabout 105 point. If you don't know, click here and just select the already station elevation. So it will show you 10.561 05.65. Click here and it will show you exactly where the station. This station is 10.565. So for this one you can calculate the elevation from here. Is already we have mentioned is 19.65. So you can take from here directly, or you can calculate by this multiplying the distance with the slope. So the one side slope design level we got from here. The next thing, the next level, design level, we will take from the existing asphalt. So how you will take this one? Just turn on the points which is brought by the surveyor from the side. So I will turn on the edge of asphalt, or I have already yellow. I will turn on this point from here. This one, and also the utilities finally all obstacle H5 yellow line. Here I have the benchmark and let's say the description or GL existing ground level. Okay, any type of this one. So already I have this one. Now my center line passing here. So from this point how you can insert this elevation and your profile. Suppose this is my ramp A. I will go to the loop A. Okay, the loop A profile already I draw the point here. So just select the profile here and project object to the profile view. You can select here and then go to the point. It asking to object to draw on the profile. You can select the from here this point, which point you want to draw. So suppose I want to draw this the elevation from this point to, or which point are connecting here on this side. I will start from here because my profile is starting from this point. So 1 2 3, this 4 on the other side also, this one, like this. Select this profile and then click enter. Okay, now it asking for the sign style for the elevation. Use object elevation because already this point have elevation, so it will the benchmark style. If you want to change the style, or from here the label, I don't want to change anything, but you can change also. It's showing the elevation here, so it will also show on the profile. Then click OK, and now it will take some time. And if I go to the my profile here, as you can see here, it's showing me which points I have selected. It's showing me the elevation, the station with this label. So already I connect this with the existing asphalt elevation. As you can see, sometimes it's up and down, but your design must be straight like this one. I missed this point, but before already I draw this one. So like this you can insert the elevation from the existing asphalt. How much elevation you need. Suppose I connected from this point, so I insert all the, as you can see, tie with existing asphalt. I mention here that I tied this my design profile with the existing asphalt. So these are the existing asphalt. Already I showed you how to project this onto your profile. So this was the technical point. Because you will not know, you don't need to draw a profile, just project the elevation from the picture line. If you have picture line or you have point, alignment, I don't think alignment we can project here, but we need the elevation. So picture line also have elevation and points also have elevation. So from the points or the picture line, you can insert like this project to your profile, and then it will be easy to draw a profile. I inserted here the existing level for the asphalt, and then I draw with the same line with the asphalt here. As you can see, the end station, the 0 0 is here. This is my 0 0. It tied with the existing asphalt because from here the vehicle will start going from the outer taper lane to the loop. So I tied this point to the existing asphalt exactly where it is. So the right side, on the right side I put a label, calculate. Already I show you the level I put here, and then I draw the profile, to connect. As you can see, to connect. So other thing, the ramp A also I put elevation. Ramp A will connect to the other side of the road. Here already I have the elevation, so I project this elevation, this side elevation. The A ramp A end will be connected to the existing asphalt up to this area, this all area. So you will see here from the ramp A, from the top roundabout, here is going to connect to the here, tied with the existing asphalt. I tied here with the existing asphalt. As you can see here, I